Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to use Snapchat AI bot. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app, click on the message button at the lower part of your screen. And by the way, if you don't have the AI bot on your Snapchat, what you need to do is to just go ahead and update your Snapchat. So to do that, just go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store, search for Snapchat, and you should see the update button, okay? But sometimes, even if you have the updated version of Snapchat, you cannot have you still don't have the AI bot. That is because only few of the users have this feature, okay? So you just need to wait until you have the AI bot. So now let's just go ahead and open my AI. So what you can do with this is to ask any questions. So as you can see here, I'm your new AI chatbot. You can ask me just about anything and I'll do my best to help. I'm always here for a laugh, and you can give me a name if you'd like. Is there anything I can do for you today? So you can just go ahead and ask any random questions that you want, or you can ask the AI on how to change your name here on Snapchat. Like that. Click on send, and then you just need to wait. So here the AI will give you steps on how to change your name on Snapchat, but you can also do any questions, okay? So let me just go ahead and ask suggest or statement. You can put statement right here. Eat for dinner, like that. So as you can see, he suggests sushi. So you can ask any question that you want. You can also ask the AI any trivia question. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.